So today may bisita kami from Pampanga, my brothers and sister. Gusto nilang pumunta sa D3 Farm para maligo. So isasama natin si Wisdom and Justice. Let's go. Ready na, Wiz? Are you ready to enjoy? Okay. So, dito na kami sa D3 Farm. 10 minutes drive lang siya from Alyang Kennels to D3 Farm. What? Down. Okay. Let's go. D3 Farm pala is pet friendly. Everyone is welcome, kahit giant or small breed, pwede daw dito to. Welcome na welcome. 3 years old and 4 months. Yes.
Nakisugat yung ears.
Hindi, pinapatayo namin talaga. Say hi. Hindi pwede ang bigel. Great Dane tsaka Doberman ang pwedeng itaas yung tsaka bullies. Yes. Okay, let's go.
Bye-bye!
See you later.
See you later!
Hindi kayo makikikain mamaya pa. Let's go. Okay, so pupunta muna tayo dun sa Batis. Dun muna tayo sa Batis first. Tapos yung may maliit na falls doon dito sa may Santol River. Mamaya pupunta din tayo doon. Let's go. Ay. Solid. Maluwag pa pala, oh. Meron pa pala dito, oh. I think 100 packs. Pero just for today. Bukas meron pa. D3 Farm. Daming tao. Solid dito sa D3 Farm. Kung nature trip ang habol nyo, tingnan nyo na.